Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the exact clip you want. Make sure it's local in Photos, not in cloud-only state. Next, trim the clip to a short loopable segment, aim for 5 to 15 seconds, because live photo works best short and sweet. Once done, convert the trimmed clip into a live photo using a third-party app or shortcuts action. This step matters because iOS requires a live photo to set motion on the lock screen, so make sure conversion completes successfully. You now convert and assign. Run the shortcuts workflow or an app to export the trimmed clip as a live photo. This preserves motion. Then open Photos, tap the live photo, choose the Share button, and select Use as wallpaper. Make sure you choose Lock Screen. iOS currently restricts live photo motion there, and enable live photo motion while disabling stillness if you want the full effect. Also check Perspective Zoom. Turn it off if the motion should remain perfectly framed. Finish by locking your iPhone and pressing the screen to confirm the live photo animates on the lock screen. You should see the motion play immediately. If it doesn't, make sure you actually set a live photo rather than a still, check that low power mode isn't limiting animations, and confirm haptics or accessibility settings aren't interfering. If problems persist, restart the phone, re-export the live photo from your conversion app, and reapply the wallpaper. That usually fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.